Wow. Good day, everybody. Good day, viewers across the globe. Wow. Today I have an important message for you. And today we are going to be focusing on social health. We have different aspects of health. For you to say you are healthy, you have to be healthy in all these 7 aspects of health: the spiritual, the physical, the financial, the emotional, the mental, have I said financial, the physical, the occupational, and then the social. So we have 7 areas that you need to be healthy. So today we are going to be focusing on social health, and make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be giving you an assignment and I will need your feedback. Now, what is social health? Social health is a part of overall well-being that refers to how well you interact and build relationships with others. It's about your ability to form healthy, supportive, and meaningful connections with family, friends, peers, and community. It's about building relationship. You know, in one of our classes, a lecturer was telling us then that there are people that are dying in the US now as a result of loneliness. Loneliness kills. Loneliness kills. There's some years ago, I heard about a neighbor that died in a room and people did not know. Loneliness kills. Loneliness kills. There was one woman that came to see me one time and she said that she's having ailments in her body. I can't remember, maybe it's depression or something. I don't know. I think it's depression. I can't really remember. And she said it's because the environment she's living in, that they don't associate. Everybody is on their own. They don't communicate. Everybody is on their own. And as a result of that, it has already affected her emotional health. You understand? So your social health is very important. I want you to be intentional from today after this lecture about your social health. Now, what are the key aspects of social health? The key aspect of social health is positive relationships, building trust, respect, and support in friendship and family bonds. Learn to trust people, learn to respect people, and support both your friends and your family members. Respect your children, respect your spouses. Not say because they are children that you talk to them anyhow, you treat them anyhow. These children you are talking about, very soon they become an adult. And they will be the one taking care of you. When you are old, treat them well, respect them, listen to your children, have conversation with your children. Let us talk. This is something I'm not happy about. Discuss with your children. Talk to them like friends. You understand? Relate with them. Go out. Take your children out. Go out with them. My husband is a quiet person, so as he doesn't talk too much. Recently, he took our children out, one person at a time, had conversation with them, and they discussed and they gisted. One of them, when she came back, she was like, mommy, daddy told me about this, daddy told me about that. Relate with them. Relate with them. Positive relationship. Be intentional about building relationship with your children and your spouses. Take your husband out. Take your wife out. I take my husband out, and vice versa. You don't have to be waiting that is the man of the house. He must be the one that take you. Take your husband out. I want you to be in relationship, as intentional about your communication skill also. Another thing is the communication skill, being able to listen, express yourself, and resolve conflict in healthy ways. It's not about shouting and then complaining and nagging. Learn how to listen and express yourself and resolve conflict in a healthy way. You understand? It may be after you've given your husband the best of his meal, or your wife something nice, then you cannot say, my dear, let's talk about this. You understand? These are one of the things you should be able to do when it comes to the social health. Another aspect of social health that you need to focus on is sense of belonging, feeling connected to a group, community, or society. You need to be connected to a group, community, or society, so that when there is an event, you will have people that will come for your events. And this is one of the things that we are promoting in Total Health by Damilo. And that's why you need to be on a Telegram group. If you are not there, download it so that we can promote ourselves. We can build love together. Are you getting me? Be in a community where you can communicate, express yourself. Are you getting me? Talk to people. Loneliness is bad. Loneliness is one of the worst diseases all over the world. Yeah. Make it intentional. Mother Teresa said, if every one of us can clean the frontage of our houses, of our house, the whole world will be clean. If you are intentional about relationship, also people also will be intentional about your life. What you sow, you reap. If you call on people, you check on people. The time you don't check on them, they will be the one that will call you also and check on you. You want people to be calling you, call them. You want people to care about you, care for them. You want people to love you, love them. That's how the world works. And then support system, having people you can rely on times of need. You must be intentional about this. Do you have support system? Do you have people that you can rely on time in time of need? As in, you are going through something and you have somebody, you need someone to talk to. You need someone to be close and express yourself with. You have to be intentional about those kind of people. Or probably you are financially handicapped and then you need money urgently. Do you have people that you can call? You need to build those kind of relationship. You understand? Then adaptability. Being able to adjust to different social situations and cultural environment. This also is very important. Do you understand? If eventually you live where you are living as staying, and probably you are in Canada and then you came to Nigeria, what are the cultures in Nigeria? Well, what do they do here? You need to learn all these things and learn to adapt. This promotes social health. Are you getting me? If the country you are going, this is how they dance, and this is how you know how to dance, then you know that, look, since I'm in this country now, I must learn how to dance this way. You must be able to build yourself in that area. Then I want to tell you something also. Note, when your social health is strong, you feel connected, supported, and valued. Poor social health, on the other hand, can lead to isolation, loneliness, and stress. And if we are not careful, it can even lead to depression. Some, at the end of the day, they might even end up thinking of committing suicide or something because of loneliness. Loneliness kills. That's why you must be intentional about your relationship. Relate with people, treat them, care for them. How are you today? Hope you rested well. The other day I was at the airport and then I asked somebody about his night. It was like, for how many years that nobody has ever asked that question from him. He was so excited. Everybody values love, even a madman. There was one day my pastor was talking about everybody values love, even a madman. I was coming from the church that day. I was with a snack and a drink. I gave it to a madman. It was so, you will see the expression of love on his face. The expression of love was just looking at me like this. You understand? Even a madman understands love. Let's not love people because of what we want to get. Let's not communicate with people because, oh yeah, I want to do this. Let us be intentional about your relationship. You know, I feel so touched when somebody just come and say, Mom, that love, I'm just calling to just check on you. I just call to greet. Immediately, I will know that kind of person. Just to call to greet. Wow, I feel so loved because over 99% of people that calls me, they call me because they want to ask for something. Please, I need a therapy for this. I need a private chat to me. They don't care. You know, the other day somebody was, I just came back from an event. Instead of the person to just say, Mommy, how was the event? Did it go? The next thing was that the person was asking me for therapy. I'm so sorry to say this. I didn't answer the person. So people, they are not emotionally intelligent. And that's just the truth. They don't relate to people with emotions. Somebody just came back from an event, a touching one, and then instead of you to just send a message and say, look, how was the event? How did it go? The next thing you're asking me a question, I just snapped it. I snapped it. I'm so sorry. I have a lot of other people that are asking me questions, and then you know that these people, they are emotionally intelligent. Then you just look, how was it? How did it go? You care for people. You understand? Before you talk about other needs, talk about their own also. Everybody, we are hot emotional people. You see, you can just see a strong man. That man is very strong. That man is a rugged, but it's a lie. They said the greatest hero becomes a fool when it comes to love. So you show love genuinely to people, care about them. And the Lord will help us in Jesus' name. So the assignments I'm going to give you, I got my home book. I have my book. If you can see this book, I wrote Damn Me Love, Subject Social Health. You get at least 10 people. 10 people between now and September ending that you will call. The minimum is 10. And the 10 that you are going to be getting, are people that you have not called for a very long time. It's that you call them, but better say call them, send a message to them. Send a message to them. It shouldn't be WhatsApp. I prefer normal message than the WhatsApp message. But if it's WhatsApp message you can do it. Send a WhatsApp message to them, call them and check on them. It's been a while. And then even in our group, Total Health by Damilove, get some numbers and just call them and say, my name is so. I live in so. I just want to check on you. I'm a member of Total Health by Damilove. I just said I should check on you. How is life with you? How would the person feel? They understand. I really need your feedback. And then another assignment I'm going to be giving is for couples. Get a gift for your husband or your wife in this season. Between now and September ending, I want to see their reactions. Put it on the comment section. You can put the gift in, if you have a car, you can put it on the seat of the car. Your husband will see it or your wife will see it. You can put it in the toilet or maybe on the sink. You can put it under their pillow. You can put it in their shoe. I'm teaching you things. You can put it in the kitchen for your wife. Maybe if she bought. Just look for one strategic place and just package the gift. And if you cannot afford a gift in this season, just write a note of appreciation. Like me, I prefer note of appreciation to any other thing in life. That's not the truth. I prefer the note of appreciation. So you can just write a note of appreciation. We'll be 2 years married. It's been wonderful with us. We'll be 20 years, 30 years married. I really appreciate your sacrifice. Even though sometimes there may be difficulties, even though sometimes we may have misunderstanding, but I still appreciate your love. Thank you for your love. Thank you for caring for the family. Thank you for caring for the children. Thank you for caring for me as your husband. And the husband and the wife also do the same. Write a note. In short, apart from the gift that you have given to your spouse, you must write a note. If you don't know the note to write, contact me on 070 87787676, 070 87787676. Yeah, contact me on that number. I can send you a message to send to your spouse. I want to hear your feedback. Appreciate your children. You can just write a note also to your children. I know sometimes it may be humbling for parents to do that, but just give it a try. Just write a note that so. I just want to appreciate my children. You must do this between now and September ending and give me your feedback. Let me see how that person feels. It's going to be a wonderful time for us. Social health promotes the physical well-being also. It promotes your emotional health. It promotes your mental health. And sometimes it can even promote your financial health. Yeah, so like, why you remember to call me, send me your card, says I just want to bless you. You don't understand. It helps your well-being, your total well-being, every aspect of your life. And then lastly, in case you have the money, you can even recharge card for some people. Somebody that least expects it, just recharge and say, look, I just loaded your card with so amount. Please help me to manage. That's another thing you can do. And also do for your spouse. I love you so much and I remain Damilove. God bless you.